Welcome to all the customer and our people that are participating today. We are inaugurating a new threading line for premium product and 150 million investment in a new ERW line. We started this, I would call it a project, in 2000. This was our first investment in North America. We started investing in Canada, and then in the 20 years that follow, we invested in the United States. We extended our presence in Canada, but we started from Canada, and now today we are the clear leader in supplying the oil and gas industry in all North America. We know that we need gradually to proceed in the energy transition that reduce and decarbonize the system. So we have target of reducing CO2 emission by 30% by 2030, and we are looking at energy efficiency in all of our operation worldwide. Without the support of the community, there is no successful industrial venture. We know very well this. In all our operation, not only Tenaris, but the entire group that I represent, we are investing in support to the community, particularly in one aspect, that is education. Without your support, without the government support, without support of all of our workers, this would not be possible. Thank you very, very much to all of you.
Tenaris has been a central figure in Sault Ste. Marie's economic life for over 20 years. Since taking ownership of the 2 mill in 2000, Tenaris has been a stalwart community partner and a responsible corporate citizen. Over 600 of our fellow Siouxites are now employed by Tenaris.
We agreed to set forward and to do what we could do as a federal government to support the steel industry and Tenaris here in town. So Tenaris has been an important partner forever. And the last piece that I will mention was the way in which we worked together to get through COVID-19 was extremely important in some of the investments that we had made. So I think that's really critical to underline and highlight, and supporting workers to be able to keep working because of the disruptions at that time in the supply chain. So that was really important.
This is a very exciting day to be able to see this transformation that has unfolded here at Tenaris here in Sault Ste. Marie. I'm very excited for where this path is going to lead us. This transformation here at Tenaris is really indicative and representative of the transformation we're seeing in our own community here in Sault Ste. Marie.
Tenaris required a support from its governments, federal and provincial, to be committed to the actual products that they make. The Northern Ontario Heritage Fund and the Government of Ontario will be here with you, for the strength of building this great province, Northern Ontario, and the significant contributions that Sault Ste. Marie makes. Thank you for this opportunity. Wish you all the best in this ongoing transformation.
Tenaris is an important player. You're important in the Canadian steel and manufacturing sector. You are creating world-class products, and you're contributing to the economy here in Canada, and indeed the supply chains that are just so incredibly important to your industry, and in doing so, supporting communities and workers and middle-class Canadian jobs. And I just want to thank you so much for your hard work and your advocacy all the time. I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to be here with you and the big Tenaris family as we celebrate this incredible milestone of this growth and this incredible investment here in Sault Ste. Marie. But it is investment in not only in the Sault, it really is an investment in our communities across the country.